Alzheimer's is the degeneration disease found in older adults. Alzheimer's, it causes plaque buildup in the brain essentially to shrink in size. It causes severe memory loss, loss of motor skills, and behavioral changes. Although there are new studies about the brain, doctors have only found solutions to reduce symptoms, not cure the disease. My fellow scientists will explain some of the already existing solutions.
Is an FDA-approved drug known as Namenda to help with regulation of a chemical involved in processing information. This medicine treats symptoms such as memory loss, attention, and daily tasks. It is used for people suffering from moderate to severe Alzheimer's. This medicine controls activity of glutamate, which is a chemical that takes part in information processing. This doesn't stop Alzheimer's, however, it just slows the symptoms.
The existing solution to treat Alzheimer's disease are cholinesterase inhibitor drugs. These drugs are used to treat cognitive symptoms of Alzheimer's. They prevent the breakdown of acetylcholine, which is a vital chemical messenger that keeps communication among brain cells. The breakdown of acetylcholine can cause decrease in memory and reduced ability in learning. Cholinesterase inhibitor drugs prevents the breakdown of acetylcholine and helps in delaying such symptoms. However, these drugs do not help in fixing Alzheimer's disease, but rather helps in relieving symptoms.
Finally, a non-pharmaceutical approach to solving Alzheimer's disease is the Mediterranean diet. This diet is high in fruits, leafy vegetables, fish, and nuts. The diet reduces sugar and saturated fat intake and boosts consumption of vitamins, especially vitamin E. Several studies have reviewed the possible benefits of this diet and conclude that there is a possible correlation between eating this way and a decrease in Alzheimer's symptoms. However, like the other approach to solving Alzheimer's, this does not stop the disease, merely slows the progression.
Yeah.
This is a human brain. In our brains, there are cells called engram cells, through which memories are stored in the brain. They transform chemically and physically when stimulated in order to form memories. The networking of engram cells strengthen as the memories become clearer and more solidified. When one has Alzheimer's, these engram cells degrade, decreasing the functional capability of the cells. With our drug EnCo, we combine engram stimulators along with coconut oil in one handy pill. This pill will continually activate the engram cells, preventing its degradation and loss of memories. What sets this drug apart from other drugs is the presence of coconut oil. Coconut oil provides an alternative energy source for Alzheimer's brain cells that cannot utilize glucose. This is due to the presence of caprylic acid within coconut oil, which contains ketones that provide the alternative energy source. This revolutionary drug, containing both engram stimulators and coconut oil, helps in halting the progression of Alzheimer's disease with continual use.
Merry Christmas, Mom! Do I know you? Yeah, I'm your daughter, Mom. I don't have a daughter. Honey, are you lost?
Hi, I'm Dr. So-and-so. This is a severe case of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is degeneration of the brain. Did you know 1 in 10 people of age 65 or older have Alzheimer's disease? 5.7 million Americans live with Alzheimer's, and 61% of 70-year-olds are expected to die before 80, as opposed to 30% of people without Alzheimer's. With our newly developed, easy once-a-day pill called EnCo, this could have been prevented. EnCo is a pill that contains engram cell stimulants to prevent the loss of memory in combination with an alternative energy source through coconut oil. This is what could have happened if EnCo was used once a day.
Merry Christmas, Mom!
Oh, hi, sweetie. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, I'm good, Patricia.
Oh, I'm sorry. How's the baby?
No, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry, you know me.
Okay, do you want to go get lunch?
Oh, let's do that.
Let's do that.
Reunite families.
Reclaim memories. Choose EnCo!
Approved by Dr. So-and-so.